Welcome to Brain Vision.
Question.
Step 1. Calculation of moles of NaOH. We are given the following. Volume of HCl solution is 18.5 milliliters. Molarity of HCl equals 0.069 members. Volume of NaOH used equals 15.6 milliliters. The balanced chemical equation is HCl-AQ plus NaOH-AQ, NaCl-AQ plus H2O-L. This indicates a 1-to-1 molar ratio between HCl and NaOH. So the number of moles of NaOH used will be equal to the number of moles of HCl. Calculation. Text moles of HCl equal text molarity times frac volume 1000 equals 0.069 text mole per L to frac 18.50 0.01275 mole. Since the mole ratio is 1-to-1, moles of NaOH equals 0.012765 moles. Step 2. Determination of molarity of NaOH. We now use the moles of NaOH calculated and the volume of NaOH used to find its molarity. Formula. Text lithium moles of solute, text volume of solution in L. P equals frac 0.01275, 15.61.0.01275, 0.0156 equals 0.0818. Molarity of NaOH equals 0.0818 mole per liter. Step 3. Indicator color in basic medium. The indicator used is phenolphthalein. In acidic medium, colorless. In basic medium, pink. After neutralization, any excess NaOH makes the solution basic. Color of solution equals pink. Final answers. A. Moles of Na 0.012765 mole. B. Molarity of NaOH 0.818 mole per liter. C. Color of indicator in basic medium equals pink.